Swivey.
And Alex.
And Keith.
And welcome to another episode of
The
Food Babies.
And the Food Daddy is here again too. Daddy's back.
So for today's episode of The Food Babies, we are filming with Mochi Dochi, which is a Korean corn dog restaurant in West LA.
What makes these different from my kind of corn dog as an American?
So the inside is sometimes the same. They do have a beef hot dog option, but you can also get different kinds of cheeses. You can get meat and cheese, and the batter is totally different.
I think the sugar is probably like the most different part about it because you wouldn't imagine sugar on a corn dog, but it's actually really good because it's sweet and it kind of comes with the savoriness.
This is something you both have wanted to do for a while.
Yeah.
I know you wanted to do crab.
We got a cheese.
And you wanted to do corn dogs.
Yes.
So here we are.
Hi, my name is Martin Kim. I'm a supervisor here at Mochi Dochi. We started at 2019. We wanted to bring something new to the Sawtell area, so we decided to bring in Korean-style corn dogs. It really got popular because of the whole mozzarella, the stretchy cheese, flour. The texture is a lot different, and once you coat it in sugar, it's just like a different experience. We actually have about over 90 different flavor combinations, so I think you guys will have to try them all. Yeah.
For today's challenge, we'll start off with a speed round and see who can eat one original corn dog the fastest. Then we'll go into 3 endurance rounds where every corn dog after that is gonna have a different flavor and a different batter.
That is 7 total corn dogs.
Per person. We also came up with a plan to spice it up a little bit, and we got some fire noodle sauces. If you are too full but you still want to go into the next round, your last bite you have to dip in the fire sauce, and then you get to progress to the next round.
I'm actually excited for the hot sauce.
See, that's not fair. She can handle it, no problem. I'm just gonna have to try to eat all 7.
Well, you have the biggest stomach out of all.
I do have the biggest stomach.
And biggest
And the
throat.
biggest throat.
And the biggest throat. We've talked about that.
No.
Now let's get started with the speed round. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Whoa!
So we have the premium beef with the original batter.
Beautiful.
All right, how long do you think it's gonna take you to eat this?
I mean,
It's hot.
It's hot?
5
Okay.
minutes.
It does smell like something, like a funnel cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a funnel cake corn dog.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And,
And
3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
Fight. Oh, hot.
Hot.
Oh my God.
Hot.
Oh,
We make the batters from scratch every morning. The filling, we twist it in batter, we roll it in panko, dip it in the fry for 5 minutes. The Korean corn dogs are different than American corn dogs because Korean corn dogs are made from sweet rice flour, whereas corn dogs are made from cornmeal.
The hot dog quality is good. I hate it when a hot dog in it is not good. The sugar's not too intense. I don't know about you, but I think corn dogs should be called corny D's. It's hot to touch.
Oh, jacket's coming off.
Its jacket's coming off. Time. Woo, 1:51. That's under 2 minutes right there. It was so hot. It was good though. The beef of the hot dog, very, very good. The sugar, it's actually very balanced. It's not too sweet at all, even though there's a ton of sugar on there. That's straight up, that's the whole carnival.
2:23.
Wow.
now I'm gonna take my time. It's too hot. You know when you have sensitive teeth and everything just hurts when it touches?
I thought people only have sensitive teeth to cold stuff.
Oh, cool.
I'm calling it right now. I'm gonna eat all 7.
I think I
Okay,
might.
done.
This is really good.
3:15.
3:15.
Pretty good
Hey,
too.
these are all pretty good.
Usually after the speed round, I'm like, uh-oh, I'm already full.
Right.
This was really good. I'm ready to eat more.
And that's because a normal speed round would have been 6 hot dogs. You both wore ripped jeans? You didn't tell me to wear ripped jeans?
Well, we told you to wear brown. You didn't listen either.
I don't have a brown shirt. So yesterday they texted me like, oh, wear a brown shirt because we're dressing as ketchup and mustard.
And he's gonna be the hot dog.
I don't have a brown shirt. I have time to go shopping for one. It doesn't go with my skin complexion.
Yeah, it kind of washes me out too.
Yeah.
So on your right is the cheddar sausage coated with the sugar, and on your left is the whole cheddar with the potato topping.
Oh, look at the
The
potatoes.
potatoes are crazy.
How you order this is you basically choose your stick, choose what kind of batter you want, and the toppings are optional, but they're highly recommended. The most popular is the half mozzarella, half beef with the potato topping coated with sugar.
Look how oozy that is. It's so delicious.
This is literally a baked potato.
It's so good. I'm gonna put burger sauce on it.
Same.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a lot of cheese. Let's just be clear.
Wow, with those sauce, it's like a whole dinner.
It's like moist, it's potatoey, it's cheesy, it's gooey.
Potato one is pretty filling though.
It's pretty filling.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh, it's a cheese wrap hot dog.
This is perfect. You get the best of both worlds. I take it back. I don't know if I can make it to 7.
Right.
I might have to go sugarless with the remaining dogs.
Same actually.
There's so much sugar.
We're gonna bring out the spicy sauces. These are Korean fire noodle sauces. I'm only excited for the pink one because I like the carbonara one, but the other two are gonna be spicy.
So what these sauces are, is the fire noodle challenge that people have been doing on the internet for a couple years?
Like the ramen ones.
Yeah.
Ramen ones. That company took their sauce and bottled it, so you can put it on whatever you want now.
I'm gonna put, how much should I put?
It's got a little security cap on it. Classic.
Classic.
We've all been there, right? You open up the ketchup, you try to squirt it out. It doesn't. You gotta get into that cap.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay. That's a lot of spice.
That's more than I intended to, but I will eat it. You want some?
Oh!
I know it comes out quickly.
Okay, that's enough.
I hate my hot dogs. Is it hot?
It's kicking in.
It is pretty hot.
It's hot.
It's hot, huh?
That's good. Oh, it's very cool. That's super concentrated.
It's pretty hot.
I love this.
Oh man.
I love this.
That's hot. Well, I'm not worried about the other two.
At first I thought it wasn't gonna be that bad.
It's pretty spicy.
It really gets in your throat.
My tummy is full, but you know what? My mouth feels good. And that's a bigger concern for me.
You think you're gonna avoid the hot sauces today?
I'm gonna try to. I think I will eventually have to. I'm trying to only eat that one.
And the Scoville on this one is 2,000.
That's
We're
a lot of
still low.
Scovilles.
2,000.
I thought that was pretty low.
No, that's a lot of Scovilles.
It is? Well, okay, so we have a sauce in the corner that we don't know if we're gonna use that, but that's 15 million.
Okay, 15 million.
Yeah, it's the capsaicin.
Can your tongue even tell the
Well, I'm sure
difference?
the pepper is 15 million. I'm sure the sauce is probably less than that. But
Let's hope so. I'm not eating it either way. I'm not eating that one.
Whoa, oh my god.
wow.
This one is the cheddar wrap mozzarella rolled in jalapeno curry with the sweet potatoes, and the one on your right is the jalapeno cheddar pork rolled in the jalapeno cheddar curry.
These batters are a little different because this batter is flavored now. So it's jalapeno curry batter on both of these. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
I was dreaming a little bit.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Hot.
that's so good. Right there, if you can see it, there's a little chunk of jalapeno. Do you see the green? So there's actual jalapeno chunks. It's not just the flavoring.
It's not spicy, but the sausage has like flavor to it.
My nose is running already.
Reminds me in some ways of an Italian sausage. Like the really good pork flavor, the spiciness is kind of like a jardiniere.
Oh, it does get kind of spicy actually. It's
Really?
I would say this is definitely a sausage. It's not really a hot dog. It's quality.
It's a
meat.
sausage.
Yeah.
There's cheese mixed into the sausage.
It's good.
Makes it real juicy.
It is hot.
I think this one's my favorite so far.
I'm getting sleepy.
I can't believe I never had this before. I am getting full though.
Yeah, this is filling.
It's so good. Now let's just look at these. This is like kind of a thicker corn dog. This is like corn on the cob. It's crazy. Look how heavy it is.
Do you guys remember when we looked at it? Oh, I mean, going for another round. That was funny though. I liked watching it whiplash.
Yes. Oh, that's long. Really long. It keeps going.
Oh.
It's gonna keep going. Oh, that was a record length.
That was beautiful.
That was pretty good. Alice, can you beat that length?
Now I'm nervous.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Go.
Oh,
Going.
oh, it's going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Slowly. Oh, you might win. Okay, that was pretty similar.
I think you did it.
I don't know who won.
I think she won.
Yeah?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, why not give it to her?
Okay.
Ooh, I can feel the heartburn. I bet the chicken sauce is actually good on this too.
Can I try the chicken sauce?
Yeah, try the chicken sauce on this. No, that's the burger sauce.
Burger sauce.
Get the away.
Dad, I'm so sorry. I'd say if you're really hungry, go for the jalapeno batter.
Yeah.
With the sweet potato, it's very filling.
There's so much cheese.
It's making me sleepy.
Maybe I'm gonna stand up for a second. I'm gonna try to wiggle the food into my intestines. So start moving some of the food into the tubes, and then your stomach has more room in it.
Oh my God.
I'm up here. You're safe down there. Oh, it's nice being up here.
Oh, gravity, it comes down.
No, it doesn't, because it's not heavy. It's light.
Sure?
It's a gas.
That sounded heavy.
It's a gas. Okay, I'm sitting back down. All right, I got a new sense of life, and here we go.
So I think these really became popular in the States because of mukbangs.
Yeah.
Like, even we didn't start craving these until we saw other mukbangers.
Yeah, we didn't know these existed. In Korea, when I was there at least, I don't remember there being like a corn dog like this. So I think it's a recent thing.
Alexandria,
Yeah.
when the onion rings, will you answer it?
Yes.
That's a good answer. How about you, Abby?
Wait, what?
When the onion rings, will you answer it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You better too.
Is that the right answer? Alright, so this is 4,000 shoe, and the other one was 2,000. This
Yeah.
is 2,000 more.
The Scoville unit on this is double what the last one was.
And you know that Scovilles move exponentially, right?
So it's way spicier?
Yeah.
Whoa! I took a bite out of the side and it's starting to gush out a little
It's
bit.
like a mouth. Ready? We got our hot sauces while Keith finishes his last.
Cheers.
Cheers. This one's not that different from the pink one, like flavor-wise, right?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, it burns. But the cheese helps.
Cheese helps. Cheese helps. It's very spicy. I'm really full.
Oh, Dean is so much cheese. Look at it glob.
Your voice is getting crazy.
Look at globby, glob, glob. It's the potatoes that really do it. It's the 5 corn dogs and potatoes. Last bite. On to the last part of the endurance round. Go on, little guy.
Keith did say he could eat probably 5.
I got 5.
Yeah.
I'm a champion.
Made his goal.
Even the guy who owns the restaurant was like, you shouldn't. We got squid and corn dogs coming up. Stay tuned to right now. All right, the final round. Bring them on.
On your right is the whole mozzarella with the squid ink batter topped with onions, and on your left is the half and half with the squid ink batter.
I love squid ink. Like squid ink pasta, it's so good.
It looks almost like thread, and it has like some webbing right there. It's crazy
love
looking.
it. It's probably something to do with squid ink. We need to kick off this final endurance round with a hot corn dog attack. Corny D.
The corn dog was patented in 1927 by Stanley S. Jenkins.
Stanley Jenkins.
Yeah, so it's almost 100 years old.
That's a good name. The Great Depression yielded a lot of cool things, including corn dogs.
I had to get crafty. Shall we try?
Yeah, let's try. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, that's a great sound.
It sounds like a crackling fire.
Oh.
Whoa, there's a lot of cheese in
Not
there.
enough. No. Uh-oh.
Oh, look at you go. Just jump rope. Jump rope on my face.
Wow.
It's crunchier than the others, right?
I mean, it's crazy looking. I'm looking at the cheese.
It looks like marshmallows.
Yeah, the contrast between the white and black is pretty cool.
It's beautiful.
It's a little spooky.
Whoa, this is funny. It's like it was blasting off into space.
The onions look like potatoes.
Onions do look like potatoes. I love fried onions, onion rings. And when the onion rings, you gotta answer it.
All right.
It smells good. I'm nervous to take another bite.
You can do it, Alex.
The onion's really good.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh,
And you get up and walk
slowly,
away.
slowly,
You
slowly.
get up and walk away.
Oh no.
Get up and walk away. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, get up and walk
Oh my
away.
god.
Go to your car. Yeah, go to your car.
Okay, so
That was good. That was a good.
That was a
5 foot.
real long
That was
one.
a 5-footer right there. You think I could fit this one inside this one?
that'd be the ultimate hot dog, the corn dog.
Like the human centipede,
But like inside it.
but the corn dog centipede.
You guys see that movie?
Yeah.
Wifey and I watched it recently. We watched it late one night and then we fell asleep.
Yeah.
We had like a little
was still
sleepover.
going.
Yeah, and then we woke up and we finished it in the morning.
I also am not gonna be able to finish these last 2 dogs, so I will also have a little droplet of the spicy juice.
You flipped yours too.
I flipped mine because I wanted it on the dog. How hot is the capsaicin sauce?
I don't know the exact Scoville units for the sauce, but the pepper is, like I said, 15 million.
15 million?
So the capsaicin sauce, they have this in Korea, and I tried it on a BuzzFeed video actually. You just put a drop of this in things like when you're cooking or like whatever you're making to add a little heat.
This is the concentrate for other sauces.
Exactly. So you would only need a drop of this to add any kind of spice.
Well, let's use that one.
This one?
Yeah, let's just drop.
All right.
Why not? I'm the champion. I already won the video. Why not do a victory lap?
Can you open it?
Oh boy.
It's hard, right?
Ooh, it doesn't want to be eaten.
pop
Why are you doing that?
I feel like you're gonna elbow me.
I just don't want it to like.
I don't want it to do that either. Here, you try. Your turn.
Your turn.
My fingers are too big.
I told you. You're doing the same thing.
Oh, I'm afraid it's gonna squirt me in the eye.
We're all
What?
afraid of it.
Yeah. Yay!
Well, this is what it is.
Sausage is coming naked.
It looks like you got a thumb on a stick. That's how much I'm putting on. What? God damn it.
It's okay. That's not a lot.
That is, what are you talking about? Look at that. 100 billion capsules of capsaicin. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It hurts.
Oh my god.
She's right.
Oh, it hurts.
It hurts, baby. It doesn't even taste good.
It doesn't. It's not spicy. It
It
doesn't
is
hurt.
attacking both sides of my tongue.
So you don't. Oh man.
Oh, it hurts.
Don't use this for the flavor. This is 100% spiced. I can't even tell you what it tastes like. It's like you ate fire.
It hurts.
Oh my
I
god.
got it directly in the middle of my tongue.
I feel like it's cooking my tongue.
Ow. Ooh, it's so hot.
Very good though.
Wow, that's it.
It's
That's
really
a hot spice.
That's a hurdy spice. That's a hurdy birdie right there.
Yeah.
Ooh wee, ooh wee. But you know, this place isn't just known for their corn dogs. They're also known for their donuts. So I, as the victor, self-proclaimed, have decided all 3 of us are winners, and we're gonna use the donuts to do our toasts to one
You wanna
another.
put the hot sauce on the donut?
It's hot. And I'm also cold. It made me like physically cold.
Can you act like you're blowing out fire?
It is hot. Ow!
Oh, added fire into it.
Can you put your head back and breathe up like a dragon?
The dedication donut.
So starting from here, we have the black sesame, strawberry milk, blueberry yogurt, matcha, churro, and the mango.
They look like candy toys.
Yeah. Look how shiny they are.
I love their gloss.
Yeah.
These are so pretty.
Well, we did it. I am the victor, so I will start my dedications first. I would like to dedicate my donut bite to Alexandria
Yeah.
for coming in second place in the speed round. Boy, can she gobble down a corn dog, just like me.
Thanks, King. Oh, whoa!
It's okay, the box caught it. A little chewy.
I'm so excited.
It's very unique, actually, as a donut.
I'm gonna dedicate my black sesame mochi donut to Mochi Dochi because we tried all these great corn dogs and now the donuts, and they're really, really good.
Oh, really good.
It's like rice cake.
Ooh,
Oh my
okay.
God.
I'd like to dedicate my donut bite to our whole crew. Keith, I'd like to thank you for eating so much dairy. YB for challenging us with those spices. Jonathan for getting all of these amazing food bites. And to Sam for listening to our burps all day.
Oh God.
I'm so sorry, Sam.
Yay, Sam.
Wow. Right? It's literally like rice cake. The texture.
I've never had rice cake, but I'm into this texture.
Oh yeah, it's exactly like
It's
this.
very fluffy.
Thank you guys for watching. This was our episode of Korean corn dog.
What do you guys want to see us eat next time?
Let us know. The food babies are hungry. They're hungry little babies. They need your recommendations. But seriously, today's corn dogs were amazing. I'm glad I finally got to try them. I've seen them on the internet for a long time. They taste as good as they look.
See you guys next time.
Bye. We're the food babies. I'm food daddy. I'm the food daddy.